Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to get and share your app link on your Android device. So for this guys, first you need to open the Google Play Store on your phone and search the app like this. After searching, now if you want to share this app link to anyone, or if you want to copy this app link, so for this guys, here in the top right side corner of your screen you can get three dots option, just tap on it, and here you can get the share option, just tap on it. From here you can easily able to share it, and then if you want to copy the app link, here you can get the option copy, just tap on it. Okay, the app link is now copied. Okay, so this is the very easy and very simple method to get and share the app link for your app. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.